The transport delivery system has a total length of 175 centimeters and a usable length of 90 centimeters. The usable portion of the delivery system is pre-curved and consists of a flexible tip and outer sheath. The middle portion of the delivery system consists of stationary grip, which provides a steady and secure handhold, safety retainer, a plastic disposable component that prohibits premature deployment of the stent graft, deployment grip, which ensures controlled delivery of the stent graft. The flush port stopcock attached to the deployment grip is for the irrigation of the internal components. On the distal end of the main body handle is the controller. The controller is an extremely important component because it controls the independent movement of the sheaths and lumens during advancement and retraction of the deployment grip. The controller is spring-loaded. To select the desired position, push the controller in, rotate to desired position, and then release. An arrow located on the main body handle opposite side also indicates the number position of the controller. A stainless steel rod provides support to the system and is connected to the through lumen, which then connects to the tip. On the distal end of the delivery system are several key components. Apex release grip, which allows release of the stent graft bear springs when in position to deploy. Apex retainer clip that secures the apex release grip from moving prematurely. Guide wire lure and extension tubing facilitates irrigation of the guide wire lumen. Now that we are familiar with the system components, let us take a detailed look of the actions of the delivery system. In the advancement stage, the deployment grip is moved forward, advancing the inner sheath out of the outer sheath. The inner sheath will expand slightly as it exits the outer sheath. The fabric sheath has a D-shaped radio-opaque marker that indicates its position and can be used to determine the direction to rotate the device if manual rotation is required. Under fluoroscopy, you will see radio-opaque's cylindrical bar marker bands are located at the proximal and distal ends of the stent graft and indicate the ends of the graft fabric. There are also two radio-opaque middle marker bands, see the arrows, located at the mid-portion of the stent graft and which locate the spiral support strut. The radio-opaque marker bands aid in the correct placement of the stent graft. When preparing to withdraw the inner sheath from the stent graft, the controller is rotated to the position 2. The deployment grip is retracted, withdrawing the inner sheath and exposing the bare and first covered stents. When ready to complete the deployment, retract the deployment grip with one continuous smooth motion until the leading edge reaches the black circle marker on the main body handle. This will ensure a smooth receding of the tip with the outer sheath later in the procedure. With the stent graft in the desired position, the bare apexes will now be released. While visualizing the stent graft with fluoroscopy, remove the apex release clip by unscrewing the stainless steel thumb screw. Then bring the apex release grip number 3 the complete distance toward the guide wire lure to release the bare apexes. To remove the delivery system from the patient, rotate the controller to position 4. Retract the stainless steel rod until the flexible tip recedes with the outer sheath. Do not apply great force. Now remove the entire system. For more information on Relay Thoracic Stent Graft, please contact Bolton Medical.